Welcome to the Urovo Zhuhai Smart Manufacturing Base. It covers an area of 28,000 square meters. This IoT manufacturing factory is held by Urovo Pte Limited. Before racking on the warehouse, the incoming materials are going through IQC inspection under the criteria of GB per T 2828.1. The facilities equipped self-service storage cabinets for our employees. In the EPA workshop, systematic ESD solution is strictly set up through ETE process. There are 20 modern production lines, equipped with automated equipment. Critical components, for example, LCD, PCBA, batteries, are traceable in MES system. This system is seamlessly integrated with our own design and produced smart industry pad through ETE process in the factory. Our manufacturing factory is well managed by the complete quality system, conducting total quality management with all aspects inspection, from incoming material to finished goods shipping. The facility is equipped with 100% aging testing by 4 to 8 hours simulating extreme temperature environments to ensure the durability and reliability of our products. The high-tech reliability laboratory, capable of taking extensive tests on AIDC hardware terminals to monitor and improve our products, including salt spray test, IPX7 waterproof test, 70 degrees Celsius high temperature storage test, micro drop test, button life cycle test, USB plug-in out test, high pressure test, drop test, tumbling test, steel ball dropping test, thermal shock test. The finished goods warehouse is the final checkpoint before product delivery. Each product batch must be going through OQC station, followed by fully automated heat shrink and packaging process. This ensures product delivery to our customers. Moving forward, the Urovo Zhuhai Smart Manufacturing Base is committed to improving product efficiency and continuous improvement to quality, creating flexible, intelligent production lines that cater to the diverse needs of enterprises across various industries.